Atmosphere Sky Lab, Episode 2, Odor Filter. The odor filter in atmosphere sky is made up of activated carbon particles that come from coconut husks. The surface of these activated carbon particles come into contact with various airborne molecules to reduce odor, so the surface area of these activated particles is crucial to sky's performance. Then, how big is the surface area covered by atmosphere sky's odor filter? The amount of activated carbon in the filter is approximately 1,315 grams. The surface area of activated carbon per gram is 1,150 square meters, so the total surface area adds up to 1.5 million square meters. In terms of soccer fields measured at 105 by 70 meters, this is equal to the surface area of 205 soccer fields. Odor filter with such an impressive surface area is another secret behind the performance of atmosphere sky. Just with quality air, your life can change. Atmosphere Sky.